What is up, guys? Your boy Vina Jake here, back at again with some more content. Proud to announce that I'm going to be putting a body kit on the 350 today. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. It is kind of sunny, but we're going to see how it's going to end up looking for the Z. Also, managed to get some spacers to fill that gap, quarter panels. And let's get started. Hey, Tokyo, Fast and Furious. You. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm going to be jacking up the car, just so I can have more clearance when I take off the side. But I'm going to have an idea. I'm going to put on the front bumper, the side skirts, and then eventually work my way up to getting the rear bumper in. I really don't want to put it because it looks really bulky, but I have an idea how I would put it on if I would put it on. So I'm just going to go with my gut instinct and do it. Cool. Car's mounted. And let's get started. I'm going to pop the hood, start taking out these things. Bumper's off. Now let's get this raggedy bumper out of the way. And I'm trying to start measuring how the other bumper is going to look. Kind of heavy, actually. So I want to try to see measuring on weights. In reality, if the fiberglass is indeed lighter or not. It does feel a little bit heavier, like aesthetics, if anything. I don't know. Might end up doing what I did with the Lexus was dash bar, so I might have to get a custom one. Hey, that's for another video maybe. So I'm gonna see. I had to take out the memory foam, so hopefully see if it fits. If it doesn't, we're gonna see right now. So unfortunately, it's not gonna fit. Sacrifice the bash bar, but that's what I did with the Lexus. I'm running reckless. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good, huh? Still need some adjusting, and we'll see from there. See what you guys think. I'm gonna try to put on the side skirts right now, and we'll go from there. If I can't finish the video today, I'll finish it tomorrow. But for now, we're just gonna try out the side skirts. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take off the rear tires, put on the spacers, and have the spacers already preset up. One side skirt off. I'll just put that bad one on. Still pretty light, because I don't know if it's lighter than the fiberglass one. But I don't know. Oh, fiberglass. I'm gonna try that. So, quick update on the 350. We managed to put on the side skirt. It didn't have a lot of complications to it. It had some cutting to the side skirts, a lot of cutting. Alex right now is taking off the rear bumper. So, like me, I don't care. I cut everything. I really don't give a shit. At the end of the day, it is my drift build. So, I'm going to be cutting the rear bumper. Let me show you. Ooh. Glass, so, because it's more sturdier than the plastic. So, yeah, I'm going to be cutting this bad boy off. So, Alex managed to take off the bumper. So it's not coming off. There's 2 bolts left. Now we got the rear bumper out. So I'm gonna try to fit the fiberglass one. But before that, I'm just gonna cut it regardless and make it to this size. I don't want that big ass bumper. So what Alex is doing right now is she's taping on the sides. I don't like this. I get it's more an old school type body kit, but I'm gonna try to eliminate this. still try to keep with the, you know, the bumperless cutless type shit. This is like more OG type shit, so I'm gonna try to cut it something a little different. This is more flimsy. Look at that shit. It's like all guadito. It's like my butt. It's all guadito. So we're gonna try to cut this piece. So right now Alex is just she's making sure everything on the she's sharpening with the Sharpie itself. She's trying to make sure she's doing like the cutout for the license plate. That's more important, really important. Hey, what the fuck, Nitro? Cálmate la verga. Hey, was kicking dust and shit. So guys, we had to go on to the next day. We're almost done. Basically, we had issues with the side skirts, but
we fixed it.
Just go ahead and put the fiberglass rear bumper. I kind of like it, kind of don't. I did want to cut it more. It does hide the bash bar, the rear bash bar, so maybe I might cut it, adjust the teensy bit, but it's coming along pretty good. I'm just gonna drop the jack stands down to see how it looks more or less final finish. Take a pause there.
Look nice.
What'd you say? It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So also too guys, we did manage to put on spacers on the rear so we can give it the flush fitment with these side quarter panels. So to get coilovers down the road, we are rocking lowering springs, but just to go a little bit more static, we're gonna be finishing off these piecings just to make sure it's flush. Ah, damn, it's hot. Also guys, we did decide to go with the OEM hood back on. I didn't like that carbon fiber hood. I just thought it was just so much struggle to align it. I think it looks pretty good though. I don't know what you guys think. Got a little bit of scratches because we had it. So guys, a little last minute thing too. I did see, oh shit, did I turn on my lights? I think they're on. Oh no. Let me check. Oh, they're on? No, they're off. Well, anything guys. So I just need to put these lat sights, like the clips, and it should be done. I did manage to cut out a little bit more of the edging, you know, make it look more smoothie. Hey, shout out to my homeboy, Frankie, Cozy Motorsports. Still going strong. Hell yeah, dog. Shout out to my boy, Ren, Fusion Aeroworks. Get your nice aero splitters from it. I do need to get some goodies for the Z soon. And it is gonna get wrapped. So bet on the color getting changed very, 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 very soon. So it's almost done. But matter of fact, this is just the end of the video. If you guys wanna see the complete full pics and everything, I'll just put it up on my Instagram. My Instagram is, you know, _Vino_Jake. So guys, thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for the support. More stuff coming to the drift build, and guys, take care. Deuces. Ese güey. Ah, venga, check it out guys, coming along. Really fucking clean. I like that setup on the OEM hood. Looks better with flush fitment. Now look here like, fuck yo, grid homie. Oh, it's so still, I got slidey boys. Damn, look at Tyler. Damn. Alright, hit it.